fucked up. You know the Garda station literally there. Oh no. Whoa, this whole thing is burned out! Open it. Sure, you'll fit right through the hole. That's fucked up. You know the Garda station literally there. But they never have any guards in there. Look at that fucking place. Window smashed. Holy fuck. And imagine, people used to work here. It was a meat factory or something. And now they use this place as a parking lot for summer rally cars.
Yeah, and is that a weight scale for the truck?
Yeah. Well, let's see. Well, we are driving touring bikes, aren't we? So we can tour it. Oh, I feel raindrops.
Raindrops and stuff.
What do we have here? Well, someone's gonna call guards on us. I see the Garda station. Well, it's like a little car park. It's probably for office or whatever. The managers. Mental.
I'll need to fuel up the bike again.
And look, here comes the rain again. Way. But it's only one cloud. Well, the cloud is massive.
So we have to go
Oh.
way. So, see, the bike was so nice together.
Oh, the rain. Holy shit.
Oh, I got a good thumbnail. Back up your bike in front of the gate. Real quick.
Which gate?
The bandit one. Right? I'll make a nice fucking moment now. Look at this. But bikes, they park it off facing the main gate.
The place photo.
Oh, this is Instagram worthy. Oh yeah. Look at this.
Damn. If my phone could focus at some stage today. Is it nice? And look, the rain is stopping now.
Yeah. There we go. Instagram photo. Is that
Damn.
now?
So we go to the next one. I know one, there's a building there. But yeah, I think it's been demolished. So we need to go back a bit. Visiting the abandoned places. Come on, before the police comes. Now we go right. We will go right. The treasures of Ruski, that's what we call the video. And there's the Garda. Ow, fuck! The raindrop hit my eye. Why is it raining again? Oh, look, they have a fence up and everything now. Ah, sure, they're building it or what? Sure, this whole thing was covered in like bushes and stuff. There was literally, you wouldn't even see the house and it was like behind. Oh, I have an idea. Will I fit? Will I fit? Ah, sure, no problem. Easy fit. So this house is good as well. Easy, shortcut. And there's another shortcut there. But once we go in there, we can't get out. Oh no, there's no more shortcut. They're building shit up. Yeah. Left. Do you not see my indicator? Exactly, BMW driver. Okay, now we go to the bridge. How much fuel do you have? Ah, plenty. Yeah, there's like a pad, but it's not abandoned. Well, this hotel is abandoned. Right, but there's no way of getting in there. Damn, she beautiful. Ruski's Vistamed. What the fuck are they building here? Vistamed. And this is the bridge where I used to watch bikes when I was a kid. Yeah, that's the fucking 100 zone. And we used to come here with bicycles and wait for bikes to fucking race. And now we are the bikes that race. And it's a perfect stretch because it's so straight and the bridge and everything.
This might be a good thumbnail for it.
Now how are we gonna get off this? Okay. And now there's a little ramp here. You should have got the GoPro. You're going the wrong way. There is a car behind us. Oh no. Whoa, this whole thing is burned out. I was thinking, why do I smell fucking smoke? Oh, fuck. Both sides. That is fucking mental. What the hell?
My God, I told you stop smoking.
That is insane. Look at all the cans there. What the fuck? So Roscommon was on fire. They didn't lie about it. This was the part that was on fire. Well, why there is so much trash in here? That is fucking crazy. Now your shoe's gonna stink for life. What the hell? Because I'm driving and I smell the fucking smoke. I'm like, what the hell? And then I look, why is it black? So the whole field. And we only had 28 degrees max. And this is what happens in Ireland.
No, I gotta feel someone lift this up.
But how would they transfer to both sides? There's a road in between.
Both sides.
Go on, make it. You jump there. We'll see if you make it. Ah, sure it is.
Good thumbnail picture. Good thumbnail picture.
That is mad. I don't know why, but I find railways fucking fascinating. It's the long straight. It actually slipped, what the fuck? I took some nice picture of my E46 in this forest. It's very bumpy here. Now imagine this track on a sports bike, wouldn't be fun. On a sports bike. It wouldn't be that fun. Now wait, slow down. I think we need to go here. Or is it further down? Wait, that's the bridge. No, I think it is this way. I think it is this way. Yeah, it's a tiny one though. Well, this is abandoned road by the shape of it. It looks like nobody touched it for the last 20-30 years. Some tractors. Okay, so some people live here. This is Drummond. The ignorance. Okay, the guy with the bike will flash at you. He won't hear you like that. Oh, he waved! He waved! They're probably thinking you're asking for help and you wave like that. And they're all making a U-turn, they're coming back to the bridge. Now we're going here. I never actually been here with a bike before, what the hell? Oh, there is another abandoned shit here. Well, it's not abandoned, but all the planes and stuff there, you know, the place. Exactly. You make videos as you go. Look at all the planes. Oh, they're expanding it, man. Wait, have a look at that. I don't know if you can see the fence or the actual thing. The guy stuck there. Imagine it drops. Yeah, so we have an old abandoned railway, planes, trains, buses. And, okay, so it's not that abandoned, there's people there. Will you let us in for a vlog? No, but see, that's fucking plane engines. There's a... That looks like a Mikadze one, you know, the ones that crashed. That went head on to the buildings. No, it's like a museum, they have to pay like 20 quid or something to get in.